Hi, friends. So today I'm at a local garden center. I have a gift card and I just want to kind of walk around and see what's there. I'm kind of late to start my fall garden. I did start broccoli and cauliflower from seeds, but they are so tiny. And in the spring, I had put plants out much bigger and my cauliflower didn't head at all. So I'm just wondering if the garden center uh, has any fall vegetables, like Home Depot, Rona, Lowe's, those kinds of stores. After June, they kind of like clear out all of the veggie plants, and there's nothing for fall gardens. They do have like shrubs and trees and things like that, but I want to see if this is a garden and landscaping center. So I am hoping, fingers crossed, that they have something that I can put in my fall garden. But I'm going to check. And maybe they have some garlic bulbs. I want to get some garlic too. And I have a gift card. So I thought I would just spend the day um, just walking around. It is the last week of August. It is our long weekend this weekend. And it's really cooled off. Last week, it was super hot, no rain for several weeks, very dry and humid and really hot summer. And it's so funny that it's just immediately cooled down, like drastically cooled down. We went from 30 degrees to like low 20s. And let me see what the temperature is today. Hold on. So right now, where I am, it is 16, 16 degrees Celsius. When we went from like 30 last week, how the weather changes. When I was growing up, the weather would change like little. It wasn't so drastic, but now you're going from that's a 15-degree like difference. That's crazy. And our nights are like 10 degrees now, like well this week. So I don't know. The weather's kind of so strange. I hope my peppers ripen and I get something. At the farm, we have zero peppers. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it's because it was too hot, too dry. I don't know. But our peppers at the farm, at home, I have some, but not as many as I did last year. But last year was more rainy. This year was very hot and dry. Anyway, enough of my jibber jabbering. Let's go inside and see what they have.
Garden centers are like showrooms these days. So many beautiful things, though, to give you some inspiration for the fall season. A lot of stuff's on sale now, so if you want to redo your backyard or want to get some fall starts, I guess now is the time to get it. The furniture in here is so beautiful. Oh, look at this display. Just love the display. It's so nice. Oh, these egg chairs. I've always wanted one of these. They're just like so cool, but I don't think they'll be able to hold my weight. But I love them. Don't they look so cozy? So let's go into the greenhouse and see what they have. They have a lot of like pretty, oops, over the bump, pretty like fall or like arrangements. Look at those on the on the right side there. Those are all fig trees. All they're all different kinds of like fig trees. They're only 20, I think, no, not 29. Oh, I love this like potted tree here. It's 40% off, but it's still way too pricey for me. This is where they usually keep the vegetables. I see basil and there's like potted herbs over there, but I don't see any like vegetable starts. So they don't have any either. Nobody seems to have any veggie starts. There's citronella. Yeah, they don't have them either. So let's just go exploring instead. Ooh, I like these. Look at the 20% off all regular price perennials. I love this like berry looking color. I think it's echinacea. Oh, whatever this is so pretty. What is this? Dark roast. See what the tag says. Yeah. Interesting. It's so pretty though. Oh, look at the bumble. Bumble. Lots of bumblebees I noticed. I like this one too. I don't know what these are, but I kind of got drawn to them. Paquito orange. I really like it. Oh, look at all the spireas and pontilias. They're all 50% off. I have a couple of those in my backyard. I really like those too.
I love nine bark. I love how dark the foliage is. I love evergreen. Absolutely love evergreen. In the wintertime, when it's all cold and snowy, just looking out the window and seeing something green is so beautiful to me. So I love putting evergreen, and I did have some last year, but they died, hence why I have a gift card now. So I kind of want to put something evergreen in the backyard. Guys, I kind of like this. It's called Hill View. Oh, this one's called Stonehenge Skinny. That would be perfect, actually. 6 feet tall and 1 foot wide. Oh, that would be perfect.
Oh, 119. That's way out of my budget. Oh, look at these little baby bushes. Even though they're so small, I have to get them. And they're so much cheaper because they're so little and they take time to grow. So, yes, I'm going to get this. I really think this is cute. I love these trees that have like this the ball on the top. I really think they're really nice. Wonder how much these are. Oh, over 200. No, too expensive. But I really, really like them. I think they're so pretty. And they add a really nice accent to yard.
Is a columnar apple tree like the one I have at home, but it's much taller, but I don't know, it's quite sparse here. Mine is much more fuller and looks much more healthier. Maybe it will come back because it needs these like little branches, and there's none here. These are the Tangy Green. It's the same one I have at home. They're 50% off though. 129, so 50% off. That's a good deal. I would love to have fruit trees, but I'm not allowed. Thank goodness I have that columnar one in a pot because that's as much as fruit I'm getting. But I would love, I want a plum tree so bad. The little like plums. We call them cherry plums, but they're like super tiny, the size of a golf ball. I love those. And a bag of those at the store are like $13. So if I had a tree, I could eat as many as I wanted. Italian dwarf plum. Oh, I would love to have one. The variegated tree is called alley cat. How cool. Look at these leaves. Mm, this is jasmine. Smells so good. Beautiful. This is the clearance area, and look at the soda fountain. It's only $10. Garden pouch on clearance for $15. I think I'm gonna get it because I'm always losing my scissors and my tongs. I could put everything in here. He's hiding. take a nap. How cute.
All right, everyone. So I wanted to show you what I ended up picking up. I ended up picking up 2 of these, and I got 2 of these, and I'll show you where I'm gonna put them. I got 2 solar lanterns, and I'll show you where I'm gonna put them. I got 2 of these Starship Scarlet Bronze Leaf Cardinal Flower. Look how beautiful. I put the back just so you can see in case it's something that you're interested in. But I think these will be perfect for the backyard. And I did end up getting that pouch. So I got a couple annuals here. The coleus and that, I think it's called silvery fir. I can't remember what those are called. So, because it looks so empty with the Jacob's ladder, I thought they'd be bigger, but they're quite small. And I wanted to put these here. So I wanted to put those there in its spot. And then I have another spot that's exactly the same here. That coleus got munched on or something happened to it. So I'd put one there and one there as well. Look everyone, my hanging begonias finally decided to bloom at the end of the season. These are called hanging begonias. I'm gonna pull up the bulb and start them in early. I got these at Breck's online, and I think they sent them too late to have them in the pot because they're just starting to bloom now. Oh, it's starting to rain, but I wanted to put these lanterns right there on the stones. I'll have to do it once the rain stops. These, I'm not sure, I just loved, they looked so pretty. I think I want to put them in that spot where those dead boxwoods are. My husband doesn't like flowers, but I think it needs color. It can't just be all green. He doesn't mind the irises because of the foliage. He doesn't mind the irises because of the foliage. I'm just looking at them. Because they don't last long. So he's not irritated. They're not like there all summer. Now, these have not bloomed yet. I don't know how long they bloom, but I like to have some color. He's kind of gotten used to the roses, and he says they're pretty. So, and they're not huge rose bushes. They're those miniature rose bushes, rose plants. And the only growth, well, mine are about 2.5 feet tall, so he doesn't mind those. These don't grow very tall either. So I was thinking to put them where those boxwoods are. It will give it a nice pop of color and it won't overpower, but they don't grow very tall. They only grow 22 to 28 inches tall, so it's only 2 feet. So it might be too small for the back border. For like there, I kind of wanted to put an evergreen. Maybe I'll put it in between, right there, in between this boxwood, because it's a dwarf boxwood, this burning bush, and that, because they're not big now. And I'll just put them there, and if anything, I can pull them out and transplant them somewhere else later. Aha! It stopped raining and the sun came out. That was a very fast shower. We've had a drought for so long, it's nice to get a little bit of rain. Well, it's still a little bit spitting, like a sun shower. But I just wanted to show you. I think it would look pretty there. Thank you for joining me today, friends, on my little adventure. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.